Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to be taking you on a Seydisfjordur Iceland Walking Tour. I'm very pleased to say. This is an incredible port, one of my favorite ports I've ever visited actually. As an acupuncturist at sea, this is my first day off. So what a better day than Iceland, right? Now this is on the east coast of Iceland, and this town has about 800 people. And Seydisfjordur was formerly a herring fishing village. However, due to the overfishing of herring, it's now reinvented itself to almost an artist colony. It's very creative. You'll see that in the architecture, the galleries, and the way people live. So I'm going to be taking you on a walking tour and show you some incredible waterfalls close by, also wildflowers, and the architecture and the village of Seydisfjordur. So let's go. So here's a good map of Iceland, and Seydisfjordur is on the east coast. So the red dot right here, there's the little blue church. I wanted to get a nice clip of it with a reflection on the water. All right, such a beautiful day. All right, so I'm on my way to the popular Rainbow Road. I know there's going to be a lot of people doing photos here, but how cool is that? Surprised there's not more people on it, really. New things along the way. There's some more the water.
Icelandic goes back at 0.
It's cool. Let's go inside the blue church and take a look and see what it's like inside.
When you turn a lot, you forget it.
Alright, so I'm going to go see if it's free. If it's free, we'll go check it out. It says, yeah, free contribution. I'll definitely get a contribution. Hi there. Alright, there's alongside on the edge of town there is, you can follow the river. There's a little path with a lot of wildflowers. We are here during the time of midnight sun, so you can always expect a nice super bloom going on in Iceland at this time of the year. That's so beautiful, the wildflowers, and then the fjord. Ooh. Oh, I don't know what these are. Once again, I'll look that up, put it in the caption, but they smell wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that scene there with the flowers, the fjord, and the fog in the background. So lovely. All right, so to get to the waterfalls, we're going to be taking 93. I'm taking this path along the highway to get to Gufufoss, which is, I know there's a way to get there on the other side, which would be a lot better, but I did hear, no one seemed to know, and everyone said they were getting attacked by birds. That's the thing. I believe it's Arctic terns. When they're nesting, they will come down and they will swoop down and tap you on the head for sure. We had that happen at another Iceland port. So anyway, not so picturesque, but we'll be there soon. Well, there's a nice scenery along the way. We're approaching Gufufoss on the road, and there's going to be a series of waterfalls along here, and it just ended up taking about a half hour fast walking. which is not too bad. We're almost there. All right, folks. Here we are at Gufufoss. Yep, nice to have made it here. A year ago today, almost, I was here. And it was cloudy, so it's nice to see it in the sun. And I know walking down the river here, there's a couple more other waterfalls, so we'll be heading that direction. I'm super stoked. There is a waterfall right here, and no one's here. Oh, this is going to be special. So there's the drop-off. This is, there it is. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So this is Upper Spray Falls. I wish we could get, maybe there's a rainbow in there somewhere. And there's Gufufoss in the background. Anyway, guys, too cool. I'm so happy to be here, and I'm the only one here. That makes it even better. So there is a Lower Spray Falls as well. And I think I see the trail to it. So we'll follow that trail. All right, folks, it doesn't get any better than this. There's nothing like Iceland for waterfalls. All right, so coming back, there's the river. This is the river that flows into town, in and out of town. Or I should say into town. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right, so right here on the water, this right here, this with the colorful decorations, this is one of the most popular hostels in town. I'll put the name in the caption, but great place to stay. And further on down, I have a big surprise. So the next stop is what I've been looking forward to the most. You can see the man, or hear the violin behind me. And this is owned by a woman named Monica, and she actually upcycled the bridge of a ship. And it's a little place to stop for drinks and food. And it was a highlight of my time last time I was here. So I'm gonna go check it out again, and hopefully Monica's there, and hopefully she remembers me. Even if she doesn't, it's okay. So let's go check it out. Oh, that violin is so amazing. What a great idea.
So I got it because it's too short, I think it doesn't really look like a whale. So.
Wow.
So she said the man that doesn't sell the fish, so he just carves them himself.
Don't panic. Let's see if Monica's there. It's so nice. Say hi, Monica. This is your invention here. Anyway, I just wanted to introduce her quick. And see what.
One of each.
Sitting outside enjoying an IPA at Kiosk 108, and anyway, it is just amazing here. Everyone that comes here, you can just see they're smiling from ear to ear. It's so special. This has been it's always the highlight of my visit here. So definitely come check out the kiosk here if you come to Seydisfjordur. And there's the back view of Monica's Kiosk 108. And I'm like, okay, that's probably what I'm looking for. A tiny, tiny house. I'm gonna go to this is a very popular gallery up here, the Skaftfell. See if it looks like it's open. And I want to add, this is actually a food co-op as well. It says fuel here, but it has amazing food. If I had time, I would so stop there. And fresh juices, so it's healthy. So let's go see if we can go in and check out this gallery a little bit. So this is the Skaftfell Gallery, and they have a exhibit. It's called Arctic Creatures, and it exhibits things such as this that are made out of garbage or just things they find along the way. So let's go inside and check it out.
Hello. Oh, well, how about you? Oh, thank you. It is what I discovered during COVID. Mid-launch. Yeah. So I was surprised it's all white. My mother's hair was mixed. So I thought it would be different.
He started having a white hair when he was, I think, 30.
Yeah.
But originally he was redhead, so I thought the redheads more younger sometimes.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear that.
I'm sure the other one was also white, but this one is unreal.
Oh, it's
Okay, our final stop today is another waterfall close to where I get on my ship. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have to head back to the ship in literally 10 minutes. So hopefully you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Seydisfjordur is such a treasure. I will be doing a lot more videos over the next 7 months as an acupuncturist at sea. We're going to be traveling not only Europe, back to Greenland, Canada, and then we're going to circumnavigate Africa. So lots of adventures ahead. So please join me and please subscribe. Until then, bon voyage! Tendering out to our ship. We take these little boats here. And, oh, what a beautiful view. Okay, back to the ship, back to